Madam Speaker, voting rights, the election ordinance. Madam Speaker, if you are parliamentarian in 2001, 2005 or 6, thereabouts, and you're parliamentarian from 2014, 2019, Madam Speaker, and you sit with a sitting government, and you recognize that there's a flaw in the legislative process, the onus is on you to get your side to amend. Legislations are not foolproof, but the process of amendment allows you to improve on the quality of the legislation. So if you identify a flaw in the legislation, we simply bring it here and do an amendment to the legislation. We're not depriving, and this government have not made an amendment to the legislation except one we are coming now, I think, with the fees. We have not made any amendment in our time to the election ordinance. None. So, Madam Speaker, I don't know who the gentleman was speaking to yesterday, because his name is on the voters list the last time I checked. Even though he doesn't live here. He domiciled, he says. He domiciled. And domicile, depending on your voluntary domicile or what you domicile, your name is on the list. It didn't come off. So he goes and comes to make sure that he spend a year. 1 month, but it's all right. But his name is on the list. So yesterday I don't know really who he was talking about. Because if you left Montserrat for 14 years, I've never come back here, and you have no investment in Montserrat, no house, no land, nothing, what are you talking about voting in Montserrat for? 14 years you left Montserrat, and you don't come back. But my only member did not live for 14 years. He just go and come. But we understand that. But there are people out there who talking, and we're trying to talk too. Because this is not his thing. He's trying to please somebody outside who's listening. He know he can vote. He know he can vote. But he represents a small group over here who's so anti-MCAP that nothing good for them. They will be representing. Yeah, right, representing the small group. But they can't vote. They will come home and sit down and live here for 1 year and put their name on the voters list. And they will vote. They can vote. We have not made any changes to the legislation at all. Except the one we're bringing now. None. So I just want to fix that one once and for all. If the people up there tell you to come down and lobby for them vote for England by ballot, by mailing ballot, and it happen.